In an electric vehicle, every single movement of the steering wheel is transformed into precise, controlled motion. And today, we're going to dive deep inside the EV steering system, exposing hidden components, secret pathways, and the brilliant safety layers that keep your car stable, smooth, and intelligent. As this transparent chassis opens up, notice how beautifully the motor, the column, and the rack and pinion work together, almost like a team that never makes a mistake. Let's begin with the electric power steering motor, a compact engineering powerhouse. When you turn the steering wheel, this motor reacts instantly. Inside, the rotor spins smoothly while the stator generates precise electromagnetic force. These tiny pulses of energy make modern steering feel effortless. Moving forward along the transparent rack and pinion, the pinion gear converts rotation into motion with unbelievable accuracy. The rack slides side to side, guiding the wheels with millimeter perfection. Even the lubrication is carefully engineered, reducing wear and extending life. Inside the steering column, universal joints maintain alignment, even when angles shift. Torque sensors detect exactly how much force you apply and send that information instantly to the control module. Now, zooming out, the entire front chassis shows how the EPS integrates perfectly with the suspension. Every vibration, every tiny flex, every input, corrected in real time. The wiring harness becomes the nervous system of this machine. At the steering knuckle, the ball joints allow multi-directional motion, ensuring the wheels turn smoothly regardless of the road's personality. And here, this is where the smallest steering angle adjustments begin. The EPS control module, the brain, processes sensor data, road feedback, and driver intentions in milliseconds. Microchips respond with just the right amount of assist. Efficiency plus safety, a perfect balance. The full steering pathway forms, from the steering wheel, to the column, to the torque sensor, into the EPS motor, across the rack, and finally to the wheels. Every movement guided by smart data. Electric signals pulse through the wiring, activating the motor. Load distribution adapts dynamically, ensuring stability through sharp turns or high-speed cornering. Zooming into the microscopic level, each gear tooth is a piece of art. Lubrication films protect it. Coatings extend its lifespan. Magnetic flux pulses through the coils, delivering controlled torque. Torque sensors detect microscopic distortions in metal layers. Meanwhile, the ECU runs thousands of calculations every second, keeping the steering stable and confident. Even the metal composition of the steering knuckle is engineered with intention. Grain structure, heat treatment, and strength mapping all contribute to long-term durability. The universal joint provides seamless angular movement. Rack centering systems keep the steering balanced. Cooling channels manage heat to prevent dangerous temperatures. The wiring harness reveals its hidden beauty. Every copper twist and routing path created for efficiency. Timing diagrams show responses in milliseconds. At low speeds, steering feels light and easy. At high speeds, it becomes firm and controlled. Parking feels gentle. Driving on highways feels stable and reassuring. 8A systems, cameras, radars, sensors, communicate with the EPS for lane keeping and safety assistance. Energy optimization ensures minimal battery usage. The EPS is engineered for near silence. Acoustic suppression keeps everything whisper quiet. Emergency maneuvers activate instant torque boosts. Fine motor control ensures tiny adjustments remain smooth. Health monitors track temperature, torque, and electrical flow, ensuring safe operation at all times. But what if something goes wrong? Overheating coils, torque sensor failures, damaged rack teeth, burnt wiring, and ECU faults all produce unique signatures. The vehicle detects them immediately. Angle sensor glitches, vibration damage, loss of steering assist. Nothing escapes the system's diagnostics. Even battery drain patterns are tracked with precision. Finally, all warning messages connect directly to the dashboard, keeping the driver informed and protected. If you enjoy deep, meaningful dives into EV technology, subscribe to Perfect Tech and hit the bell icon so you never miss another high-quality engineering breakdown. We're just getting started.